Hello everyone, Puffin here. Just got awesome package from the loveliest person ever. Card and everything. You're so sweet, I swear. But I got a shirt from the Loot Crate. Yeah, you see my ugly room. The Loot Crate that was in there. And some cookies. They're delicious. Just amazing. And this shirt. Hold on. It's a Dalek, and it says procrastinate. It's awesome. But a little Tomorrowland pin. Open the box again. TF2 pins, along with the Loot Crate, dropping stuff, Loot Crate pin, little Mad magazine, a decal, the booklet that always comes with the magazine with it, little puzzle. You guys can't see that very well. There we go. Little puzzle. And shoelaces. Which those are pretty cool. I'm gonna use them anyway. They're marbles. Love marble. And ice cube tray. You can't see it. There we go. Yeah. And then these, which I've seen these on Cartoon Network. Bravest Heroes. Bravest Warriors. And they look really cute. So I'm gonna enjoy that. But the inside of the box it's adorable. I'm gonna turn it like that so you can see it maybe. Okay. There. Can you see it? Can you see it? I hope you can. Yeah. But yeah, this probably made my day 100 times better. Thank you, Star Child, for this. It pretty much just made my day. I'm glad I got it. And you know I love being a follower of yours. I love being there. So much fun. And I'm going to put a link in the description below so you all can check her out because she is amazing. So remember, you're awesome.